Good morning students, you are watching class 7 science chapter number 1st nutrition in plant part 18. Dear student, in the last video we discussed correct the option filling the blanks. In this video we will discuss true false, D name the following and give an example for the following. So let's start dear students. State C section, that is state whether the following statements are true or false. Correct the false statements. So first is organism that depends on the other organism for food are called heterotrophs. Dear student, that is true statements. Why it is? Because we know very well heterotrophs depends on the autotroph for the food. So it is true. Now come to the second. Green plants are the only organism that can photosynthesize. Dear students, it is false statement because we know very well green plants are not only the organism that can photosynthesize. So here we write what? False. Now come to the second. Photosynthesis can takes place in the presence of water. Dear students, that is true statement because we know very well photosynthesis is a process by which green plants synthesize their food by using carbon dioxide, water and mineral in the presence of sunlight. So right here true. Now come to the fourth. Plants cannot synthesize vitamins. Dear students, we know very well plant also synthesize other components such as fat, vitamins, protein. So here we write false because it is false statement. Now come to the fifth. The root nodules of leguminous plants contain a parasitic bacterium. Dear student, we know very well here not a parasitic bacterium, symbiotic bacterium. So it is false. So right here false. The root nodules of leguminous plants contain a parasitic bacterium, so that it is false. Now come to the D. Name the following. First, the process by which organisms take in nutrition to use for the life processes. Dear students, we know very well nutrition is a process of intake food and its utilization in the body. So nutrition is the answer. Come to the next. The bean-shaped cell that control the opening and closing of stomata. Dear students, we know very well guard cells. Answer is guard cells. Now come to the third. The type of organism that derives its nutrition from the living organism are called what? Parasites. Dear student, parasite an organism that lives and feed on the other living organism. Come to the fourth. The group of the organism that break down organic matter and release nutrients into the environments. The saprophytic organism. Right here what? Saprophytic organism. Saprophytic organism that feed on the dead and decay organic matter. Now come to the fifth one. The bacterium found in the root nodules of pea plant. Right here what? Rhizobium. Come to the E. Give an example for the following. First, an heterotroph that is not a plant. Students, I will give you one example here of bacteria. You can write the example of bacteria. Now come to the second. A plant that has a haustoria. We know very well Cuscuta has a special root-like structure. That structure is called what? Haustoria. Now third one, a partial parasite. Mr. Lito is example of partial parasite. Fourth one, an organism that has a tentacles. Dear students, we know very well sand dunes has a long needle structure that is called what? Tentacles. Come to the fifth, a symbiotic relationship. Dear student, lichen is a very good example of symbiotic relationship. So you can write here lichens. Dear students, you have to do C, D, E part. Even then A, B, C, D, E part. In your notebook, very clean and neat writing, and also in a cursive writing, you can also help You can write with the also help of your detailed planner, which is given on your school app. So dear students, today your homework is you have to do these exercise part A, B, C, D in your notebook in a very neat and clean manner. So thank you students. Stay home, be safe.